Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I will be doing my May Boxycharm unboxing. So before we continue, let me tell you that my goal is to have 1,000 subscribers. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you've tried these products or if you're part of Boxycharm, what products you received since they do a variety of boxes. Also, just want to let you know, I hope everybody is doing well and that you're having a great day. So let's get started on this video. So the first product I received is Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. It looks like this. I've tried Glam Glow, this brand, before, so I do like it. I received it in other boxes. It's a mask packed with berries and probiotics, so it's supposed to help you get your moisture back. So it's perfect for people who have dry skin. I'm excited about this because anything that hydrates my skin or that gives it moisture, I like to use it. So I'll definitely be trying this out and will let you know how I like it. Let's see. It actually smells, I thought it was gonna smell like obnoxious, like too fruity, but it's perfect. It's very light, so you can smell the berries, but it's not like, oh my god, my stomach hurts, it's too much, you know? So I think it's perfect. It helps with dryness and dullness in skin, so it brings moisture back, and it's supposed to plump up your skin a little bit. So this retails for $49. So the second product I received is Tarte High Performance Naturals Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. It looks like this. I know it has a 4.4 or 4.5 on Google reviews. I've seen a lot of reviews, so I'm really excited to try it. Plus, it's such a nice size, so I think it's perfect. I normally use wipes to remove my makeup, but I think for this, like eyeshadow, when I wear eyeshadow, mascara, I'm going to use round pads and use it. I'm very sensitive on my eyes, so I will keep you posted if it works. It's supposed to be gentle. It removes waterproof makeup and also long wearing. I always wear long wearing foundation. I don't use waterproof makeup. I haven't. I only do it when I do pageants. So that will come in handy during that time. But it has green tea and citric acid. So I think it's perfect. All I can think of is benefits for my skin. So I'll let you know, anything Tarte I love. So I'm definitely looking forward to this. I think this is my favorite product of the box for this month. Then we have the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. It looks like this. It retails for $35. It is pink and nude shades. So I'm going to test them out. I'm going to swatch them just to show you, and also I'm gonna do a video with a makeup look using this palette, so stay tuned for that. We're going to try Flaxen, which looks like that right here. Then I'm going to try Dusk, which is a peach color. So the only issue that I have right now is I do have to keep rubbing it so it shows. So I like very pigmented colors. I like to just dip my brush and then for the color to show. But this might be perfect when you're blending. So example, today I did burgundy with brown, but the brown is on my crease, so that helps you blend it out and you can start to build up. So let's say instead of going for a smoky eye directly, if you do a brown or something, you can start off light and then add on to the color you desire. So I think that's perfect. And then I'll try Lace. So that's how they look. So you see, I'm indifferent about it. So I'll let y'all know. Then we have Trust Stick. It is a conceal, cover, and correct crayon. It's in the color Biscuit. So it's supposed to be smooth, it's long lasting, and also it covers, conceals, and corrects all at once. This one retails about $24, and this is how it looks. So it has this side. Oh, and look, it's magnetic, guys. It's so cool. You see? That's neat. And then it has this side to help you smudge it out. Huh, this is pretty neat. So let's see. It's actually creamy. You can see right here. It's actually nice. I feel like it'll cover, like, I get a lot of blemishes, so it'll cover that up real quick. Ooh, I'm excited about this one too. And for my last products, it's actually a duo. It's an eyeshadow duo by Ace Beauty. They're glimmer eyeshadows. They're supposed to be very creamy. They actually retail $22 for this duo. We're gonna start off with the color Iced Latte. Let me show you. Oh, that's nice. It's very pretty. It's really soft, it's gentle, which I love, especially because it has glitter. I don't like eyeshadows that have glitter, that the glitter is a little too harsh, so when you put it in your eye by accident for whatever reason, if you're outside, the wind blows or it gets in your eye, it kind of scratches you, so that's a bad feeling. So this one actually glides, but look how nice it looks. Look. Doesn't that look nice? Ooh. Then we're gonna do the color Cotton Candy. This is Cotton Candy. Let me show you. That's how it looks. And we're gonna test it out. Yeah, it's just soft. All I gotta do is like this and you get all this pigment. That's awesome. And it's right there. So this is Cotton Candy and this is the other one. They're beautiful, beautiful colors. They have a lot of glitter and it's very, very smooth. So that is very, very nice. All right, so my overall views on this box. I actually really love this box, every single product. I'm excited to try. I've tried Ace Beauty, I've tried Glam Glow, and I've tried Tarte and Trustic since they had already sent me some products of that brand. I'm excited to try it out. I will show you a video doing a makeup look using every single product. So that way you can see how they look, how it feels on my skin, and you can know a little feedback if you want to get it, should you get it, and any concerns you have. So example, like for me, if an eyeshadow has glitter, it has to be really smooth. So I really like that I swatched these out so I could feel that. Also, you know, these I already know that I could use to build up color. Since I know they're not that pigmented. I'm excited about the micellar water. I'm going to be taking off my makeup right now with that. So if you got a box for May, let me know in the comments what you received, or what products you like, what products you don't like. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, since you will see that I'm going to be taking off my makeup and I will let you know right away what it is that I think of the Tarte micellar water. So thank you all for watching my video. Until next time.